capture this shot, I'm using the Best360 backpack and the Best360 150cm selfie stick. I set the X5 to 360 time shift mode at 8K 30 frames per second with the speed set to 10x. To film the shot, I secure the selfie stick in the selfie stick holder, extend the selfie stick to my head height, and then walk for at least 2 minutes. To edit this shot, I will use keyframes, but first I will go to Edit, Speed, Entire Clip, and speed it up by 2 times, and this will make it shorter. Then at the beginning of the timeline, I will go to 360 reframe, and I will pinch my fingers inwards to zoom out. I will place my head in the middle and add a keyframe, and now I will work my way through the video and make sure that my head is in the middle because the video can drift over time. And now when I play this back, I have a backpack shot. To never record blurry or noisy 360 video ever again, download my free X5 cheat sheets in the video description.